Okay, for the client server, we have the ISP library. We called it BLE device. We hard coded the server name and the service characteristics UUIDs that must match the build. So you see it right here. Over here, we have the state and globals. So within the state and globals, this tells us that the loop we found are targets and we should connect, and if they're connected. We also have pointers to the discovered peer and that the remote like characteristics. We also have a small CCD payload. We put 0x0001 to enable notifications. So that's what you will see right around this area right here. Cool. If you look more down, we have the auto scan section. And the auto scan section, we wrote the custom BLE client callbacks. On disconnect, we log mark connect equals false and restart scanning for 30 seconds so the client can auto recover. Cool. So then we go down here. We have notification callback. A notification callback, it fires whenever the where was it? With a characteristic and string with a light value, and it starts to get notified. And you'll see it right here where it says night light equals true. Cool. And then we connect to the server, which is all right here within connect helper. And then you see it will get a serial printout of connected to server. Awesome. And then also within this area right here, we have the client, create a BLE client attached to my disconnect callback and we connect to the device. We also discover that the device is under the via service UUID, which is failed fast if not found. We also grab the light characteristic, and that one's called light char UUID, and if that fails fast if not found. So after this area right here, we get the scan callback matched by advertised name. So in this area, we see that we make the class my advertisement device callbacks. We also have the if flu. If we see that if device gets name equals string BLE server name, device gets scanned and then stops. And then we have the PS server address, which is BLE address. Now do connect true. If so, server prints out found server. Server print line, BLE server name. Within this area, we have the void setup. Within the void setup, we have the serial begins at this point right here. The numbers right here, and then we get a delay of 300. And after that, we get a print line statement of starting ESP blue light client. That's all within this area. Then we get the void loop. Within the void loop, if do connect and PS server address, if connected to server and server PS address, server prints out subscribe to light notification. Connected equals true, which means it's running. Else, if server prints fail to connect, press reset to retry, which is comes out to false. And then we also have the new light. New light equals false. Server prints light. Server print line light value. Then we have a delay of 20. And that's it. Hopefully.